In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use X Twitter post template. First, let's begin by opening the X application on your device. This is the first crucial step in our process. When you open X, you'll immediately see the home feed full of posts from people you follow. This environment is familiar and easy to navigate. Your focus should be on the interface where you'll create your new post. This foundational step is important because it ensures you are in the right place to start crafting your message. Once X is open, you're ready to move on to the next step. Next, look for the post button or compose icon, typically represented by a quill or plus sign. Tapping this will open the post composer, a space where you can create your content. The composer is where the magic happens. You will see a blank area where you can type or paste text. This step is vital because it is where you begin turning your thoughts into an actual post. After tapping the icon, you'll be greeted with a blank canvas ready for your creativity. Now, find the Drafts option next to the Post Composer. Tap on it, and this will allow you to access any saved drafts you may have. If you have prepared a reusable text template, this is where you can begin to utilize it. Once you are in the Drafts section, paste your saved post template into the Composer. This action is significant because it gives you a head start. Instead of starting from scratch, you can build off the template you already have. This saves you time and ensures consistency in your messaging. After pasting your template, take a moment to review the content. You will need to replace the placeholder text with your actual content. This is your chance to personalize the post. Make sure to adjust it to reflect your voice and message accurately. This step is crucial as it ensures that the post resonates with your audience. Once you have tailored the content, you'll be ready for the next stage of your process. Now, let's enhance your post by adding any visual elements. You can include photos, a GIF, video, or other available media if needed. Visuals can significantly increase engagement with your post. They make your content more appealing and help convey your message more effectively. Adding media is straightforward. Just click on the appropriate icon in the composer and follow the prompts to select your files. Once you've added your visuals, you're almost ready to share your work with the world. Finally, review everything one last time before you finish. When you are satisfied with your post, select the Post option. Alternatively, if you want to share it later, you can use the scheduling option available on the web version. This gives you flexibility in timing your posts, allowing you to reach your audience when they are most active. Choosing to schedule your post can be a smart strategy, helping you maintain a consistent presence on X. Once you hit post or schedule, you will see a confirmation appear, reassuring you that your post has been successfully shared. In conclusion, using a post template on X can streamline your posting process and enhance your engagement. By following these steps, you can easily create and share compelling content. Remember to personalize your messages and utilize media to capture attention. Each of these steps contributes to a more effective posting strategy, and with practice, creating posts will become second nature. Thank you for watching, and happy posting on X.